All right, positive labor numbers lead stocks to a modest gain. Hello, today is Monday, June 7th, and in this week's market recap, a strong but not too strong employment report sparked a rally on the final day of trading last week, propelling stocks to a modest gain for the week. So that's what we're going to talk about here today. But before we do, a couple of housekeeping items for you. The first one here. There we go. So first of all, a big thank you to all of you who participated in our complimentary shredding event. We kept the shred truck busy for over 2 hours straight. Many of you who came by were new to us, and it was an absolute pleasure meeting you. We look forward to getting to know you all even better. Our goal is to be a valuable resource in the neighborhood, whether you just need to make a change to a new financial and investment advisory firm, or you just need a sounding board for something small. Please don't ever hesitate to reach out. As an additional thank you to everyone who participated, at the end of today's video, we'll be selecting the winner of tickets for two aboard one of Alan Alma's luxury yachts on Lake Minnetonka. So if you participated in our complimentary shredding, be sure to stick around for that. Secondly, we have our next investment update and economic outlook event scheduled for next week, Wednesday, June 16th. It will be in the morning at 11 a.m. We'll provide a performance update on our SmartMix strategies, as well as a look to the future with a discussion on the positives in the markets and economy, potential headwinds, as well as both a short-term and longer-term outlook. We'll be using Zoom for this event, and we'll be broadcasting it live on Facebook as well. So if you RSVP at our website and join us on the Zoom call, you'll get a reminder email ahead of time, and you'll also be able to ask any questions you have during the Q&A session. So again, head on over to our website to RSVP here today. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will go ahead and dive into today's economic update.
Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update.
A strong but not too strong employment report sparked a rally on the final day of trading last week, propelling stocks to a modest gain for the week. The Dow Jones Industrials Average climbed by 0.66%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 added 0.61%. The NASDAQ Composite Index increased by 0.48%, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, edged up by 0.10%. Markets have traded sideways since mid-April, though beneath the surface has been ongoing sector rotation. Last week continued that trend. While stocks ended on a strong note, the performance of industry sectors varied widely. Energy, real estate, utilities, and a number of reopening stocks performed well, while consumer discretionary, communication services, healthcare, and technology stocks lagged. The Fed announced on Wednesday that it will soon begin selling the corporate bonds and exchange-traded funds it had accumulated during the pandemic, an action that some observers interpreted as a harbinger of an approaching change in its easy money policies. But the below-consensus May job figure on Friday buoyed investors who believe the Fed will not change course soon. It was a good week for the labor market. Initial jobless claims fell to pre-pandemic levels at 385,000. ADP reported a big jump in private sector hiring at 978,000. And the monthly employment report saw non-farm payrolls increase by 559,000 in May. A healthy increase, even though it fell short of some expectations. The unemployment rate declined to 5.8% from April's 6.1% level. Friday's report showed that total employment numbers still remain about 7 million jobs below their pre-pandemic levels. It also showed an acceleration in wage gains, which rose 2% year over year following the 0.4% gain in April. All right, so with that, we're going to have a little bit of fun here. And to do so, I'm going to bring in Dan Oshman. So Dan, come on over here. Dan is a financial advisor and accredited asset management specialist here on the team. For those of you that have not met him before, be sure to say hi next time you're in the office. If you participated in our complimentary shredding, then what Dan has done is he's put your name into a basket, and he's going to draw out a name from that basket here and announce the winner of tickets for two on an Allen Alma's yacht on Lake Minnetonka. So, Dan, go right ahead.
Great. It's great to see everybody last week at our event. And for the big moment, here
drum roll, please.
The winner is Davis Marsh.
All right.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations, Davis. That's fantastic. So look for a phone call and email from Dan. He'll be reaching out to you to get those tickets for two on an Allen Alma's yacht out on beautiful Lake Minnetonka. So look for that phone call, look for that email. Dan will be in touch with you here very soon to get that out to you. Lastly, just remember later on today, I will be emailing out our full economic update by email. If you're not getting this and you would like it, you can subscribe at our website. In this update is also our financial tip of the week, companies reporting earnings, financial data that we're watching, plus a little bit of fun with a quote and a riddle for you as well.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.